Dear students, today let us discuss the fiction entitled Discovering Tut. The saga continues from the textbook Hornbill. This story has been written by A.R. Williams. A.R. Williams developed a love for reading at a very young age, and in the fourth grade, when an assignment to write their own works of fiction was given, it occurred to him that he could craft tales for others to enjoy. A.R. Williams' work has appeared in Heroic Fantasy Quarterly, Three Crow Press, and Everyday Fiction. A.R. received an honorable mention in the fourth quarter of the Writers of the Future contest in 2010. This is an article written by A.R. Williams regarding the famous and powerful pharaoh Tutankhamun, or popularly known as Tut. Tut was the last heir to the powerful throne of Egypt. He had died at a young age of around 15 years. His death has been speculated since then, with murder being the most possible reason. Tut's tomb was discovered by Howard Carter, a British archaeologist, in the year 1922 in Egypt. Along with his coffin were other items of daily use, like board games, a bronze razor, then undergarments, food and wine. After that, Carter started investigating the three coffins. The first one contained shroud adorned with garlands, lotus petals, olives, and cornflowers. The last coffin contained Tut's body cemented to the bottom of his solid gold coffin due to the hardening of the ritual resins. They tried to use the sun's heat to loosen the resins, but their efforts went in vain. Then Carter ordered his men to remove the mummy's head and to sever neatly every major joint and reassemble them on a sand layer. After more than 40 years, in 1968, an anatomy professor X-rayed the mummy, and it revealed that beneath the resins, his breastbone and front ribs were missing. A CT, that is Computed Tomography machine, sponsored by the National Geographic Society and Siemens, manufactured scanned Tut's body from top to bottom, creating 1,700 digital X-ray images in cross-section. The story gives an insight into the mystery surrounding the life and death of Tutankhamun, the last teenage ruler of the powerful Pharaoh dynasty that had ruled Egypt for centuries. He was the last of his family's line, and his funeral brought an end to the powerful dynasty. Not much is known about his family. Tut's father or grandfather, Amenhotep III, was a powerful pharaoh who ruled for about 4 decades during the dynasty's golden age. His son, Amenhotep IV, shocked the country by attacking Amun, the major god, smashing his images and closing all his temples. He changed his name to Akhenaten and promoted the worship of Aten, or the sun disk. After his death, a mysterious ruler, Espenkhare, appeared briefly and excited with hardly a trace. When Tut took over, he changed his name from Tutankhaten to Tutankhamun and restored the old days. However, Tut ruled for 9 years and then died mysteriously and unexpectedly. In order to unravel the mystery of his death, King Tut's mummy was scanned after 1,000 years, thus opening new perceptions regarding the cause of his death. Tut's mummy was scanned in 2005 under the supervision of Jahi Hawass, Secretary General of Egypt's Supreme Council of Antiquities. The computed tomography scan could not solve the mysterious death of Tut, but gave us clues for sure. The lesson also provides a comprehensive awareness of ancient Egyptian culture. The ancient Egyptians believed that there was life after death. That is why the pharaohs were buried with a tremendous amount of wealth, including things of daily use, so that they could use them in their life after death. Now, glossary, or we can say meanings of the difficult words. Here means said to bury the dead. Forensic reconstruction means the process of recreating the face of an individual. Pharaoh means a ruler in ancient Egypt. Stirred means moved, caused to move slightly. Ghostly means unnatural, unreal. Resting place means here the grave. Cemetery means a large burial ground. Dark bellied means dark in color. Escaded across means moving quickly. It refers to the movement of the dark bellied clouds. Veiling means to cover something. Casket means a small ornamental box or chest for holding jewels, letters, or other valuable objects. Casket grey means the grey clouds were like a grey colored casket which contained the stars. The stars are like jewels which are kept in a casket. Glided means quite continuous motion. Probe means to investigate or find out. Lingering means long lasting. Eerie detail means a strange image of Tut's head as visible with the help of CT scan. Forensics means the application of the scientific method to investigate a crime. Anatomy means the branch of science which deals with the bodily structure of humans, animals, or other living beings. Burial means burying the dead. Shrine means holy place. Stud Orion means the constellation that the ancient Egyptians knew as the soul of Osiris, the god of the afterlife, watching over the boy king. Astonishing means amazing. Pixels means a pixel is a single point in a graphic image. Span means to turn around. Vertebrae means